Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In the previous lecture, we saw how to run a simple C program in Ubuntu. So in this lecture, we will saw another simple C program. So let's begin. First, create a simple C file using the touch command. Touch, name the file hello and extension C. Okay, so you can see the file has been created and open the file. Okay, now write some simple code. So in today's lecture we are going to add two numbers. So integer name, simple C programming আমরা কিভাবে লিখি কোড ঠিক একইভাবে আমরা লিখতে যাচ্ছি। So যেহেতু আমরা দুটা নাম্বার যোগ করব, so we need to declare some variables. So x, y and z. Okay, next we'll print some messages. For example, enter first number, then scanf, %d, ampersand a. Next, just copy these two lines and paste here. Enter second number and the number is y. Now print a. The sum is %d and the output should be for in the variable z. Okay, we did some mistake. Yes, now it is correct. Then return. Okay, now save this file. So next we have to write gcc hello.c, then an output file -o dash output file name. So we can see the output file is created, and now execute this file ./output file name, that means test. So here is showing the interface number. Let's say it is 2 and enter second number, let's say it is 3. The sum is 5. So we can see how to add two numbers. I hope you all are understand. Inshallah next কোনো ভিডিও নিয়ে আমরা হাজির হব। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।